Yo, what up everybody, it's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to soft reset your iPhone 11 Pro. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is push the volume button up, down, continue to hold the lock button. Continue holding the button until your phone completely turns off, and once you see the Apple logo, you can then release. Continue to hold. Also, drop a sub to the channel, guys. I would appreciate it. You can go. This usually takes about 20 seconds, so it's a quick video. You guys aren't wasting your time. And there you guys go. Your phone's been soft resetted.